Stroder Tusnu, agus Siofwin Killester. Harsha Egg. And Beg Dana, Vicky N, agus in Kate shot. And Foyne Buaicphointí, the save Buaicphointí. Egg. Oine O'Connor. Unsay, agus score. Fighting Ebony Williams.
Ebony Williams actually isn't really known throughout the league for her scoring prowess. She's
doing a bad job. Back down to Vicky N. Akira Hurta-Havey. It's clear who's in control of this Killester team, Lindsay. Everything goes through. Number 4, Samantha Havey. Back to the
We spoke about keys for the Liffey Celtics team, but that woman there is going to be the key for Killester today.
Gabaga. Down to Vicky N. Samantha Havey. Agus. Bosaka. Desher score! Yeah. Dermot and Nathaniel Ishina Gruinish. Fight Kelly Bracken. Cahar Deng 3 down. Fight Hutchins. Pass off the mark. Didi Williams. Fight Rashik Bracken. Pussy Bracken. Fight Rashik Hutchins. Out of that ball. Dashing through, nice and simple.
Liffey Celtics are working so hard and so well on D. They are switching absolutely everything.
It's holding out in the fin with it. Clark, we've got Buaicphointí, brilliant.
When we asked you to step up, are we surprised as Michelle Clark? Probably not.
Buaicphointí, Ella. Oh, yeah, shit. Maragara. Okay, O'Sullivan. Treat the Lord. Brilliant for Killester. Not what you want for Liffey Celtics.
I think it's a continuation of the first half. Killester are having to work so hard. They don't look like they've any answers. And look at that, effortless. It's absolutely a joy to watch.
Good heave in her fall. Alexandra Navarrete, August. Queenie O'Connor's Navarrete, Náisiúnta sa chéad. Then the Nick Hutchins, August Hazel finished that, August. And Tunnachar grab a put. Cowan, Ella, Tiernan.
I do need to give a shout out to Ebony Williams. I know I was asshole, and she probably has done before.
And Shinna Rishti, both in Leroy Havey, Anna Hoimer, O'Connor. The heave in her fall. It's just clicking, Liffey.
It is, but if you look at Liffey, it's like team.
Bin Calvicha Geshle, Mimi Clark, Michelle Hoffin, Anash Aaron Gourt, Trasna Unson, to Sarah Courtney, Fight Courtney, Buaicphointí, John Pike, Brisha Buaicphointí, Ebony Williams.
Like, Killester have to go after their shots. Like, nobody is following the ball for a rebound. You're not going to win any game unless you go chasing that ball.
Finn, Laura Buaicphointí, Fight again. It's two teams on two different pace.
Absolutely. And their work rate and their want, their intensity. As I said, they weren't leaving here without that cup.
Miss Buaicphointí. Liffey Celtics aren't putting the same amount of pressure anymore on him. Siofwin, Oine O'Connor, agus Suracha Tiernan, chun current Paudie O'Connor ordach an darabouta is star Liffey Celtics. Stopping she the going green graph. Tsinish, or do for an current leis na himrori. She is Liffey Celtics. Current Paudie O'Connor. A big her, big quick.
That was lovely, just Hazel's teammates, you know. Someone has to get the MVP, but I think it was just epitomised what a team effort it was today when they all did hooker.
Sharon Haspel, Alexander Lavrati, Buaicphointí, Oine O'Connor, Suracha Tiernan, agus Rachel Hutchins, Choma, Kayla. I guess you see it, Kaylura and the Ryman Rashkutsa, a hand group.